So friends, let's see today's anytime healthy snack of homemade chura, which is so delicious to have and really simple to make too. Now I've taken 1 kilo or 1 kg of patar pohe or thin pohe. So when you're buying it from the grocery store, tell them you want pohe to make chura, and then you're going to dry roast this till it turns very nice and crispy. It should not be chewy. So do it in smaller batches and roast it for about 5 to 7 minutes till all of it really, shrivels up and gets very crispy. So do a taste test in the middle, take a little bit of it and see that it's crispy when you bite it and it's not chewy. So do this for the entire 1 kilo and just keep it aside to cool. Then after that, you're going to strain all of it in batches again. But this is a very important step. So don't forget to, or don't skip this step rather. You'll see that after I strain it, there's a lot of kind of residue that comes out, which is actually, broken kind of pohe and of the patal pohe. So don't use that part. It's very important that you strain it. Don't skip this step. So do this for the entire batch and then just transfer them to large plates or thalis and keep it aside. So you'll see that there's so much of this just residue, so you get rid of that and do that for the rest of it. So I've kept it aside in different plates or thalis. And now I've taken a large vessel. So this is what my mother-in-law also has been using to make chuda. Then you're going to use a normal fodni sahayata, which I'll list down in the description box below as to what you require for this recipe. Now this is some pithi sakar or powdered sugar as per taste. These are some cashew nuts, about a quarter cup. This is about 4 to 5 green chilies which I've chopped fine. These are a few black currants or raisins or manuka. These are some curry leaves. This is about 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds or dhane. This is again a quarter cup of peanuts. So I'll list all the ingredients in the description box below. So now I've taken about 4 tablespoons of oil and I've really heated up very well. And now what we're going to do is we're going to fry the cashew nuts individually, the manuka individually, and the peanuts. And then we're going to keep that aside. So now I've broken the cashew nuts into halves. Now first I'm going to add the peanuts and I'm going to fry them really well till they become dark golden brown in color. Keep an eye on it, don't increase the flame, keep the flame between low to medium. And once they're done, just take them out and keep them aside. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the cashew nuts. As well as with the manukas. Now you can add pieces of dry cobra or coconut, but that's not a big favorite at my place, so I skip the coconut. But you can add that too. Now in the same oil, I'm going to add my mustard seeds, which is roughly about 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds or mori or rye. Now once the mori or rye begin to splutter, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of asafoetida or hinga. Next is going to go about 1 teaspoon of haldi or turmeric powder. Now you can always adjust this as per your taste. Then I'm going to add the coriander seeds or the dhane. Then I'm going to add the chopped green chilies. Now you have to fry the green chilies really well till they, kind of get a white kind of coating on the chili peel. So this is very important. That way it will flavor the oil very well. So take your time with this and just fry the chilies really well. Next, I'm going to add the curry leaves. Now fry the curry leaves also so they become nice and crispy. Now I make this and I keep it, handy at home. So if anyone's hungry, you rather reach for something which is homemade like this rather than, buy something from the shop and have. This is so much healthier and, it's homemade, so it's tasty. Now I'm going to add the roasted and strained patar pohe. Now at this point, keep your flame really low, or if you're a little bit new to this, then completely switch off your flame and add the patar pohe in batches like this. Or you can have somebody else helping you and just in stirring it, because we don't want it to get burnt at the bottom of the vessel. So if you're very new to this, then completely turn off the flame and then add the roasted poi, and then you can add, put on the flame again. Now mix everything very, very well. What you have to do is take your spoon to the center of the vessel at the bottom and keep mixing it from there to the top, because all the fodni is at that particular point. Now I'm going to add all our fried and delicious cashew nuts, peanuts and manuka. Now people add a lot of other things also, so you can go as per your choice as to what you like in your chuda, but I like just these ingredients. So now, like I said, after you add all of this, just start taking your spoon to the center of the vessel, to the bottom of the vessel at the center, and then keep stirring from there towards the top. And you'll see that in no time, all of the white color turns to yellow. So you should not have any white specks at all. It should be completely yellow like this. See, you can't see any white, patar pohe anywhere. This is very important. So from the center, keep lifting it up. Now, of course, we have to season it. So I'm just going to add some salt to taste and the piti sakhar or the powdered sugar. Now you can go as per your taste. So just I would recommend you add a little salt and sugar at, first, and then give it a taste test and then adjust it as per your taste. Don't go with too much salt, because if it becomes very salty, it will just not taste good. So start with a little bit, mix everything, taste it, and then only continue adding. And now you can switch the flame off and your chuda is all ready. It's so economical to make it at home, and it's so very delicious, and it really makes a great anytime snack. So after it's completely cooled down, just transfer it to a large tin, a steel tin or a glass bin like this, and enjoy it. So I hope you like this recipe. I'll catch you in my next video. Akshata signing off. Bye. I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.